Welcome to this tutorial on OpenAI Chat GPT. If you're new to this tool and looking for a place to start, you are lucky because in this video we will cover all the basics. We will show you how to set up an account and how to use Chat GPT. For starters, let's refresh some facts about Chat GPT. Chat GPT is a powerful chatbot that can talk with you like a real person. It can explain things, answer questions, remember what it said earlier in the conversation, and even generate ideas for you, acting like your own personal AI assistant. Cool, isn't it? For now, the OpenAI chatbot is completely free. However, OpenAI has said that they might have to start charging for it in the future, and only time will show how much it will exactly cost. Okay, let's stop guessing about the future, and let's get you set up so you can use this revolutionary technology for your own benefit. First step is to open your browser and type in chat.openai.com. Then in order to use it, you will need to create an account with OpenAI, the company behind this wonderful technology. So, simply click sign up and create an OpenAI account. Enter your email, pick a password, and after verifying your email and the phone number that connects with your account, you are ready to go. After login, you will be faced with this interface, which is the basic Chat GPT interface. From here you can start asking questions. Unfortunately, right now there isn't a dedicated Chat GPT app for your smartphone, but you can bookmark the site on your phone and access chat through your phone web browser this way. Anyway, Chat GPT has two different interfaces that you can actually use. Alternatively, you can also go to the playground area. Just type in address beta.openai.com/playground and you will be presented with more customization options that may be quite useful and probably even more handier for some users. In the playground, you can actually pick from a couple of AI models in order to learn more about the technology and find most useful for your own needs. DaVinci probably will be the best one most of the time, but you can play around with other options as well. For example, you can change the maximum length of the characters and other parameters. Say if you are trying to write an essay, this is a great way to control the length. And some other manual controls can be useful as well. Additionally, here you can access and use these presets that can be a fantastic starter point to explore the chat. And if you need an even wider array of options, then you can go to beta.openai.com/examples. However, even if you do not like to move sliders and change any setting, you can simply ask ChatGPT to write the answer or essay using a certain number of words. Say, write me a 3,000-word essay about artificial intelligence, Mars exploration, or whatever, and ChatGPT will write it for you. Using ChatGPT is super easy. Just type in a prompt in the text box and hit enter. The more specific your question will be, the more detailed, precise, and professional answer will be generated. Possibilities of this wonderful technology are endless. You can use it to write high-quality content for social media and advertisements. It can help you in the kitchen by suggesting what meals you can cook from your fridge content. You can even make money by offering your expertise as a consultant or trainer. And these are just a few of the amazing things that you can do with ChatGPT. If you want to find out about other cool ways how ChatGPT can improve your everyday life, then go ahead and watch this next video that appears on the screen. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, the thumbs up would be really appreciated. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon for more on the latest AI technologies and trends. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more.